Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina and today we are going to be doing an everyday summer minimal makeup routine. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching.
Today we're using light products and no foundation.
First, we are going to start off with our Urban Decay Hydromaniac Tinted Moisturizer. Our skin is already prepped and primed with sunscreen and our primer, and the tinted moisturizer is really light on the skin too. And honestly, if you just wanted to wear the tinted moisturizer by itself, you could. So I'm just blending. I don't think I really need to see the slow version. It is kind of satisfying though, but that's how it looks when it's blended all on my skin. Then I will be using the Fenty Pro Filtr concealer. Now this is a minimal makeup routine, so you do not have to put too much concealer. I just like to put concealer as a highlight, so I'm going to highlight those areas. I highlight my nose, under my eyes, and in between my nose and lips. Again, it's very minimal. It's only a little bit of product that I'm putting in, and then I'm just going to blend it as you see. So I'm just blending and it melts into my skin perfectly. Really, it's very light, but it still gives me that highlight, and you want to highlight those areas of your skin, of your face. It's just to wake you up, really. So get a concealer that's usually 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and those are some good highlighting areas that you can highlight your face.
Make sure you let your concealer dry a little bit before blending it to let that pigment really set on your skin. And then I'm going to take my Clinique cream blush. Oranges and purples and plums look really good on brown skin. So I have this plum color.
And I'm going to just blend it in. I'm using the same beauty blender. This is actually a miracle sponge, I believe. So I'm just going to take this same sponge, just using the sides. It is a dirty sponge, but that's because I've been using it. It's a sponge that I use, and I'm just blending that in. I'm just layering all of my liquids, all of my creams, as you can see. And then I'm going to take my finishing powder. This is a pigmented finishing powder. It's not translucent, so I'm just gonna put that in areas that tend to crease more. So under my eyes, I'm gonna set under my eyes, and I'm not baking. And then I'm also going to take the powder and put it on my eyelids because I don't want any separation of product. I don't want any creasing. And the eyes is where everything really creased. You can kind of see the before and after. On the other side of my face, it was starting to separate a little bit, the product. So I'm taking that finishing powder and I'm just blending it in. I'm not baking, and it is very minimal. I do like to add a contour effect. So I do add just a little bit of product under my cheekbones, on my chin, not too much. And then this is a darker powder. You can use it as a bronzer. So I put on a cream, and then to set that blush, I put a powdered blush. This isn't even a blush palette.
This is an eyeshadow palette, so you can really use any powders that you have.
Then I'm going to take my all-nighter. My all-nighter is a staple. It's hot outside. Don't want to look crazy. So I'm just going to set my face once I'm all done. You can still see some of my, you can see some marks on my skin, but that's because it's very light. It's very minimal. And then I'm going to take my mascara. I've really been on like my natural lashes lately. I haven't been wearing lashes like that because it's hot and it's his natural face. It's minimal makeup. You don't need too much to be cute. It's hot outside. I'm going to take a contour stick. I like to take contour sticks just because it's easy, and I'm going to outline my lips. I do like a brown pink lip combo, so this is my brown outline. And then I'm going to take my pink. The lighter the pink, the better when you have a dark lip line. So that's also a good tip. If you have a dark lip line, you can go in lighter with the gloss or the lipstick. I like glosses all year round, honestly. It's my favorite. So I'm just blending that in and just rubbing that all in. And so yes, this is very minimal
and light. We did not use too many products at all.
and I said, hold up, because we cannot forget the highlight. I love a rose gold. Y'all know the vibes. I like to do the tip of my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And that's pretty much the end. You still can see like my beauty mark and other small marks on my face. But for the most part, it's very minimal. It's very natural. And it's really good for the summertime. We're not wearing foundation. We only put a little bit of concealer, and then we just we set the face with light setting powder, but that's pretty much the face. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want to see. I enjoyed making this video. Share this video to someone who you think it'll help them. This is for beginners. It's very beginner friendly. If this was helpful, please let me know. And again, share this video to somebody that you think, you know, who wants to start makeup or wants to get into makeup and they don't know where to start, and it's also hot and you still want to wear makeup, then that's what you want to do.
She is giving pretty